Hello, welcome to Analog Technologies. I'm Zhang Weiwei, one of the electronic engineer in ATI. Now I will introduce one soldering iron for you. Its part number is ATAS80. Please look at here. This is the ATAS80, the front side, the back side. The soldering iron ATAS80 is a kind of hand-operated tool used for electronic soldering, melting the solder by supplying heat to the solder. Then the two workpieces will be welded together. ATAS80 consists of a main machine, a soldering handle, soldering tips, iron holder, a soldering handle connecting wire, a power cord, a grounding wire. If you want to know the product in detail, please visit our website www.analogtechnologies.com. That's all. Thank you.